Hello guys, welcome to back how to print these star patterns by the help of nested loops. In this class I create these star patterns by the nested loops. Let's jump to the NetBeans ID and print these patterns. First I declare for loops and int I start by 1, I less or equal to 6. After that our increments. After that we use another for loops inside the current for loops. That is the child loops here, inner loops. We start j from the 1 and j is less than or equal to I j plus plus. After that, and we have a front end statement and the outer loops body. When I run this program, yes, we create these star patterns same to this one. When we want print this star patterns same to this, just we change the outer loops. We start I from 6 because first I want to print the 6 stars, after that 5 stars, and then space I is greater than or equal to 1, or I is decrement. We use I is a decrement operators. When I run this program again, yes, that's good. We print these star patterns. Now I want to print these star patterns, which when I want to print these patterns, we change the outer loops. Also start by 1 greater than less than or equal to 6. We change the inner loops also. J start from 6 because in this time we have the 6 spaces. After 6 spaces we have stars. J is greater than or equal to I. In this time we have 6 spaces in the start. Print the space here. After that we need another loops and start from 1 less than or equal to I plus plus. After that we print the stars here and remove the new line from print. When I run this program, yes, we print the same pattern here because we have 6 space here. After that we have a star. This loop print the 6 pieces. After that this loop print the 1 stars. When the new line, we got the new line here. After that this statement print the 5 spaces and this print the 2 stars. We have another pattern here. This pattern, how to print this pattern? We just change the outer loops for this pattern. We just change the outer loop for this one. We change the outer loop start from 6 and I greater than or equal to 1, and we decrement the I. When I run this program, yes, the same result show here. We use this pattern on that time because we start I from 6. When I is 6, this pattern isn't running. We print the 6 stars. After that we got the new line and I now is 5. When I is 5, this pattern, this star for loop is running. This for loop print the 2 spaces and this for loops print the 5 stars. In the last pattern of star, we how to print these star patterns. We look here how to print this one. I want to print this pattern also. The same code here, but we add another for loop. L start from 1, L less than or equal to I L plus plus. After that we print the stars again. When I run this program we have this pattern, but here in the last line we have two stars. How to have one star add? We start L from 2. When we start L from 2, this the one side is printed, this side is printed. Now print this below patterns. How to print that? We just copy these for loops and paste here. When we paste here, we change the outer loops. We change the outer loop of this pattern. We start I from 0 and I less than or equal to 6, increment by 1. When I run this program, we looks the same pattern that we want. We print this pattern same too. That is the star patterns. We print these star patterns by the help of nested loop. I hope you are all understand. If this is the final class of nested loops. These two for loops, nested for loops is the same, but we just change the outer loops. Here we have start from 1 and increment by 1. And here we start from 6 and decrement by 1. I hope you are understand.